one. Na church, Pentecostal church, na Asendebera church, Ngwabikonu, William Akune, no Cameron Debera, you are welcome in the name of the Lord. You are welcome in the name of the Lord. I can see you, the glory of the Lord. You are welcome in the name of the Lord. Arise and shine. African Democratic Congress, ADC, arise. ADC, arise. A, B, and C, arise and shine. Nigeria, arise and shine. Imo State. So I want to welcome every loving Nigerian, every Nigerian that wants the progress of Nigeria, the progress of the Southeast, the progress of Imo State. I want to welcome you to our dear party, our beloved party, the African Democratic Congress. Eba Nekwenaka. Our party is accommodating. Our party is loving. Our party is caring. Our party, we don't indulge in any kind of crisis of any kind. Our party is a party of due process. And that is why I want to welcome everybody. As an apex leader of African Democratic Congress in Imo State, in our zone, and of course, in Mbitolo and Ikedru Federal Constituency, I want to welcome every loving Nigerian that loves progress. Every Nigerian that wants a better Nigeria, a possibly new Nigeria. I want to welcome you to this party in Imo State, wherever you are, from Olu, from Owerri, from Okigwe zone. Please join African Democratic Congress ADC today. Join us today. You can easily reach us at number 1 MCC Plaza. Number 1 MCC Road Plaza. That is where our office. So if you want to also maybe get the number of your LGA party chairman, ward chairman, and any other party executive in your local government, in your ward, you can easily reach out to me. Reach out to Nonsonkwa immediately. Reach out to me in my inbox. Reach out to me through my WhatsApp. Reach out to me through SMS or through calls 0813-305-0089. I will paste it here so that you also. So I want to welcome you. African Democratic Congress is a party to beat come 2027. It is a party of integrity. For the past 5 years, 6 years, we have been in this party, building this party, making sure that this party comes up. And I want to thank our party leaders, Raf Mosu and co, who stepped down for the coalition to help restructure and restructure our party as a coalition party that will bring better tidings, better democratic dividends for Nigerians, for the Southeast, and of course, Imo State, our dear state. So I want to welcome you as an apex leader of the party. I want to welcome you to Imo State. I want to welcome you to Mbitoli. I want to welcome you to Arizona. I want to welcome you to Olo and Okigwe. Join us now. Join us now. Of course, I see ADC in Imo State. Onye bu face of ADC in Imo State. On Sonkwa. Onye also bu face of ADC in Imo State. Rabo Huchino Soba non Sonkwa. The party that we used to fly the flag of the party in the 2023 general elections. And we did very well. Yes, we did very well. We are robbed. Oh, yes, we are robbed. So it's why that this party is not just about the party. It's about the name. It's about the individuals, the personalities in the party. You know, so today, we are going to reposition Nigeria. We are going to reposition Imo State. And we are going to reposition Southeast. No more standing and sitting on the fence. No more leaving leadership for those criminals. So I welcome you to Imo State, and I welcome you to our party, African Democratic Congress, ADC. Arise and shine. My brothers, my sisters. Biko. Sonyera Eta. A party man. We also have ADC tactical team. You can also join. You can also join Healing Imo Movement. It's also a support group to ADC. You know, so Nonsonkwa is in all of it. Nonsonkwa is in all of it. So this is a party integrity that will join. It is a party that we will not, of course, allow any kind of irregularity or any kind of hijack. No, nobody is going to hijack the party. Nonsonkwa non ishie. You can't do it. Is a party. You negotiate within them and no. That is how it is done. That is how it is done. So I want to welcome all of you to African Democratic Congress, ADC, Imo State chapter. Anywhere you are in Imo State, just call my number. Send me a text message. No, Sonkwa, this is the time. Let's join hands together and have another new Imo and have another new Southeast. And of course, another new Nigeria. In Orogode Enugu, you can join us. ADC Enugu chapter, ADC Abia chapter, ADC Anambra chapter, ADC Ebonyi chapter. Not just Imo State, but of course Nigeria. And the P2P is now in ADC. ADC, arise and shine, Nigeria. ADC, arise and shine, Imo State. Ndewono.